halls of bright minds where dreams ignite. Science labs and art studios where minds align. History books come on.
Sunlight is composed of all colors of the spectrum. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes through a medium. Water acts as a prism, separating white light into its constituent colors. Different colors of light bend at slightly different angles. This separation creates the visible spectrum of a rainbow. Mixing baking soda with vinegar initiates a chemical reaction. This reaction occurs between an acid vinegar and a base baking soda. The reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide creates the fizzing and bubbling, simulating a volcanic eruption. Lemon juice can be used as invisible ink to write secret messages on paper. The writing remains invisible at room temperature, blending with the paper. Applying heat to the paper causes the hidden message to appear. Always have an adult supervision when dealing with fire. Heat accelerates the oxidation process of the lemon juice. The organic compounds in lemon juice break down, resulting in browning. This browning makes the once invisible writing visible to the naked eye.